that we see the knowledge graph as a base layer for AI to operate with. I mean, we are not natively gonna train or fine tune or train our models, right? I mean, we want to leverage foundational models that we see out there. And then then it's more and more important to have the right data from the company side to actually feed it into the models, fine tune it if you need, and really provide the right data for you to leverage AI applied to your company information and that you get the right output. So we see really knowledge graphs as a key underlying structure that AI will operate on top. And connected to this kind of knowledge base layer that we are looking for example, if within that you contain all the different processes, and that could be both from the administrative processes, but also even on the connected to factory and so on. If you have all the knowledge of those processes well documented in a knowledge graph and available for AI to work with, then it's very easy for them AI to consume that and to act based on how your processes look and give you the right information. On top of that, then, for example, I mean, we start to see now a bit more of the standardization in terms of AI solutions with, for example, MCP. Yeah. If you actually make the services, imagine, for example, the different manufacturing services available through a MCP server or something, where we have different services available for AI to consume, and AI knows how those processes should look like and knows what kind of actions should take to comply with your request or to do something. Then you have all you need to go from the knowledge around the processes and knowledge around what needs to happen and which kind of services do you actually need to act to make that happen and to actually execute on that. So the way we see is that knowledge graphs will actually be a critical part as a foundation for them AI to operate on top of, basically.